For decades, leadership meant one thing: authority. I'm the boss, I make the decisions, you follow. But today, that model is quietly collapsing. People are no longer following just because you are in position of power. So what has changed? And more importantly, what is replacing it? Hi champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, and today we are going to understand a major shift happening in organizations. Why authority alone is no longer enough, and what modern leadership actually demands. Let's begin with a simple truth. Earlier, leadership came from position. Today, leadership comes from influence. And this shift is changing everything. If you look at earlier times, leadership was top down. Decisions came from the top. Execution happened at the bottom. Why did it work? Because leaders had more information, more exposure, more access. And people were conditioned to obey. Structure was strong. Questioning was limited. But today, we are not in that world anymore. Information is not power anymore. Information is available to everyone. Your team has access to the same knowledge, sometimes even more updated than yours. So now, people don't follow you because you know more. They follow you only if they trust you. There is another important shift. Earlier, people stayed because they needed the job. There was fear. Fear of losing income, fear of authority, fear of consequences. But today, that fear is reducing. People are not just looking for jobs. They are looking for purpose, respect, alignment. And if they don't find it, they walk away. This is the biggest shift. Respect is no longer automatic, it is earned. Especially the younger generation. They do not respect someone just because of age or designation. They respect clarity, authenticity, and value. And they are not afraid to question authority. If something does not feel right, they will challenge it. Or worse, they will leave. So where do leaders go wrong? They assume. If I am the boss, people should listen. But that assumption no longer holds. Because authority without connection feels like control. And this brings us to the most important transition. Old leadership was about control. Modern leadership is about connection. Connection means, do people feel seen? Do they feel heard? Do they feel safe to express? At the heart of this is something called relational trust. Can people trust you? Not just for your decisions, but for how you show up. Are you consistent? Are you fair? Are you predictable in your behavior? Because trust is not built in one moment. It is built in patterns. Modern leadership is not about giving orders. It is about creating influence. Influence means people want to follow you. Not because they have to, but because they love you and they believe in you. So understand this clearly. Authority can give you compliance, but only connection can create commitment. And in today's world, commitment is what builds great teams and organizations. So take a moment to reflect on this. In your leadership, are people following you because they have to or because they want to? If this gave you a new perspective, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more insights on leadership and human behavior, and share it with someone leading a team today.